Despite my job, I've always been intimidated by Bitcoin mining. It seems complex and expensive.
It's interesting you say that. I used to feel the same. But have you heard about BitHarvest?
BitHarvest? No, what's that?
It's a game changer. BitHarvest makes Bitcoin mining hassle-free and affordable for everyone. They even gave me a bit booster simplifying mining while saving energy.
Sounds promising, but isn't investing in Bitcoin risky and unpredictable?
Indeed, but remember the early internet days? Same unpredictability, look where we are now. Also, with BitHarvest, you join a supportive community. It's a 5-year journey with their team by your side.
I like that. I'm just scared I'm being left behind with all these Bitcoin opportunities.
Mary, I once felt that too, but now, I earn Bitcoin daily and passively. It's all automated. I essentially watch my investment grow.
Really? That sounds like an adventure I can take.
You should. It gives a whole new financial independence. And the best thing? They're opening only 50 spots. It's pretty exclusive.
Plus, I've always dreamed about earning passive income. Tom, you know what? You've kind of inspired me. I'll look into it. I think I'm ready to dive into this Bitcoin world with BitHarvest.